What up guys? Today, kids test the jumps. The next day, the rain comes. Alright, well today we are going to start by moving some more of this back into this pile. We're just going to quickly bang it out, bang this jump out. We're just going to do one massive in a few different locations and we can catch up and then we can carry on with the second jump. Let's go! Enough talking, straight into some fast action. So yeah, I'm very unsure if what happened to the camera, possibly went flat. So tomorrow / the next clip, we're gonna fill up this nice bottom piece, blend those in. Alright, it's the next day, next clip, straight into it, eh? Landing, finally, let's do it. These fellas are keen as a bean. Off you go. Your turn, bub. You got it. Hang on tight. Oh, that was pretty good for your first time, eh? First test jump.
I'll do it again.
You do it again?
Yep.
Phew, what do you reckon? Just a bumpy rolling, eh?
Nah, when you go off the takeoff, it's really...
Boy! Corbin! Yee!
The takeoff, it's really high.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It was your first one. Pretty good, dude. Well done, son. Oh, you cased it! Whoa! Oh.
That was the coolest trick I ever done.
Remember, jumps are only one way. That is a good example of what not to do on a takeoff flip. Oh, sick as. First test sessions on the smaller tabletop. Kids loving it. Way! Good save, mate. Woo-wee. I thought you were coming off down the edge.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah.
Phew. Oh! Almost! Almost got it. Back wheel tagged. Yo! That's pretty good, dude. Oh, here's the next one. That's it, Corbin. Well done, you two. Oh, Dad's going to have to hurry up and make some more. Oh, well done, mate. High five.
Good when it's wet, so when you crash...
High five, bub.
That's good when it's wet, when you crash, because you don't actually smash onto hard dirt.
It is good.
Like that.
You're quite right. Oh well, looky, we've got landings coming along, not too bad. I've just given them a main soak up. We're going to go have lunch. It's lunch today on this video. I'll come back down and slap them all up. Alright, well after a bit of our rainy spell, this whole middle one slapped in, takeoff slapped in, the sides are roughly slapped in. Oh, but I think even though it's nice and dry and out again, and well, it's not raining, I'm going to have to go up and take care of these two. We'll probably call it a knockoff for today, weather-wise, kids-wise. We're going to go up and watch a movie. Oh well, it's the next day after a hectic rain all last night, all this morning. Damage. I was hoping it wasn't going to be that bad. She was hosing down last night. Wrecked it. So, not too worried about the tranny here, because we still need to figure out water flow on directions and where that will actually go. But sucky la la, that whole side sort of slumped in with all the water weight, but that's all good though, because now it's sort of there and set. This here will drag the slop off here and try and get it up. That slumped in there will slap up that, and oh, look at the other side. Oh. Oh, it looks like we'll probably be putting the second jump on hold for a wee bit. This is all just sloppy jalopy. Oh no. Oh. I was a little bit like, I did slap the sides up pretty steep. And it's probably way too goopy to have a play with. Look what else I have noticed. More damage. Heaps of topsoil down here. Bet you we're going to grow heaps of grass right here. Look at it. Water damage on dirt. Whoa! Oh no! Oh, let's try that again. Oh, there's still a bit of seed in there. Quite a bit of dirt's been washed on out. Have to do a bit of a refill. Ooh! Look at that big cracked line. Ooh. I haven't slapped and packed this in. Ooh. That would suck if that dropped away. The water's got into everything before we finish. No! Oh no! Oh look, there's all the topsoil down there. Water damage. Hey man, look at it. That sucks. Oh. These things do happen, I guess. Dealing with nature. Oh, look at the neighbour's paddock. Whew. That's a lot of water. So yeah, I'm going to go get a spade, see what that slosh is like. I think that's just going to be absolutely waterlogged, but we'll give it a quick go. Oh, let's stick you in a little dry posi, and we'll give this a bit of a testy, eh? The chances of this being still up here next time we're down here, pretty slim to none. Oh, that's sort of what we got stacked back up again. All the rest of the stuff on the floor is proper slop. I'm not holding my breath of that still being on there the next time I come down here. It obviously fell off because it was waterlogged and it slipped off. Well, it's still waterlogged and I just chucked it back up there. Well, I thought we would come up to the new sunshade, but you know, it's definitely designed for the sun. Pondering on what to do. Gonna go have some lunch, because this video is the lunchtime video. Gonna sort out some umbrella system for the other camera so we can carry on doing some fast action on the top of the roller as soon as it's all soft. We've got the brolly, some tape, Let's have a quick check of the landing, eh? Oh. Oh well, that lasted as long as it took to go have lunch. Oh no, the lip's fallen down too. Oh no. Rainy, oh no. Not ideal for fresh dirt jumps. Fresh dirt jumps, heaps of rain, melted. There you guys are, nice and dry under the cover. I'll hang out here in the rain. We're gonna work our way backwards, I think. See how this goes. Gotta do something. All I'm gonna say is, this is either gonna turn out mint as pretty good and flat, or this is just gonna be bad news. Fingers crossed. I'm soaked. My undies are starting to get wet. Time to go home, shower, get warmed up. But first, go show you what we've done. So as you can see, we've flattened it out as best as we could. Sort of slopped it around and hopefully made it all on an angle where the water all runs off it to a degree, not too much pooling. Man, look, that jump in the back's even gotten worse since we've been out here. Ugh. Awesome o'clock. So with weather like this is going to put this project on a bit of a hold, a bit of a handbrake, bit of a over the next couple of weeks we'll sort of get back into the yard, but I do know that there is a competition on, Jed's big airbag competition that is down at Karapiro Lake. So yeah, the next couple of videos potentially we'll be riding from that event, and then we'll be back into the yard. Hopefully should be by then. We should be able to do some more tractor work and actually have this second jump up and running. But for now, thanks for sticking with us. Whether to do something or not, well, we did. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Cheers team, yahoo!